To say in the show? How about you introduce Peter? Say, this is Super Baby Peter.
Super Baby Peter.
And who are you?
And Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man? What's your name? Parker? Is your name Parker?
Yeah.
Are you Parker? You are Parker and you are Peter? Yeah. Peter Parker. Peter Parker.
Peter Parker.
Yeah. Is that your super baby?
And Spider.
Are you practicing being a big brother? Are you practicing to be a big brother? Are you going to be a big brother soon? Hey? See, look, here's the baby. Right? Oh, I got a dirty switch on. Here's the baby. Right here. Couple more weeks. Okay, I love you, buddy. Can you say goodnight?
Can I see the show?
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, ready? I'm going to stop now, okay? Say goodnight, everybody.